I'm about to Queen Latifah this shit and set it off. You're just another Scarface. I'm Thanos, cause I'm a better boss. And if you disrespect my lord, I hope you could pay the weather cost. Sodom and Gomorrah, you niggas. Bring that heat like menopause. All bets is off. You take an L if you bet my boss. I'm celibate, all about chastity, like metal drawers. And these rappers got nice flows like water, but me I hit hard like jail, cause these are metal bars. This Johnny Storm flame on, antique kettle stars. And before Epstein, Corey Feldman told us who the pedals are.